Alright, good morning. March 12th, Tuesday, we had CPI come in today. I believe month over month. Let me pull it up so I don't misspeak here. Year over year came in 0.1% lower. Core CPI year over year. And then just regular CPI year over year came in 1% higher than previous. So kind of a mixed bag. And you can see that reflected in the market, right? We got this wick, which is big up, big down, close somewhere in the middle. Looking like a small gap up. This music is really loud, hold up. There we go. There we go, that's much better. All right. So like I said, kind of a mixed bag on CPI. Core CPI, a little bit lower. Regular CPI, a little bit higher. Market has a mixed reaction. Looks like we're still kind of in an uptrend though. Both SPY and QQQ looking like they're gonna open above yesterday's high day. So small gap up. Still got 5 minutes or so there could be some time. Time for things to play out, but we'll see. I'm gonna be taking things a little slower today. I'm kind of in the process of trying to switch over to futures, so I've pulled some liquidity out of my trading account, so I have like no money in here. I might take one trade, one contract, just because of my position size. My portfolio is really small. Like I said, I'm in the process of looking to transition over to futures. Did some work this weekend to get that in place. Take some time to learn. Did some demo trading to get a feel for it. I really like not dealing with Greeks. I really like having predictable risk and reward, knowing exactly what your price targets are for stop loss and take profit. Pretty nice. But that's something that we'll be doing. And then as well, as I said at the end of last week, I would be looking to kind of formulate a strategy. I have some of that down. I think I'm gonna take some time to kind of watch the market and see how it plays out in real life, or real time, I should say, and just get an understanding or a feeling if that's something that I feel like is gonna work for me. So I'm also I'm gonna be out at the end of this week. So maybe like Thursday, Friday, and then next Monday, because I'm traveling, I'm gonna see some family. So I might only trade today and tomorrow. A super short week for me today, or this week. I'm getting my mind all mixed up. I haven't had my coffee yet. But yeah, could be a short week for me. As I'm kind of in the process of transitioning into trading futures, and then as well as I'm also traveling, so that's it. We're just chilling. 2 minutes.
Morning.
What's good, man? How you doing?
Good, man.
Oh,
Ready to be back.
yeah. I know this is gonna be like a short week for me because I didn't trade yesterday, and I'm probably not trading Thursday or Friday either.
No.
I'm gonna be traveling, seeing my family for the weekend.
Nice. Where you going?
Just to Seattle. My mom's gonna be there, and then my brother lives there, so.
Nice. I've never been to Seattle.
It's it has its pros and cons, you know.
Hello.
What's good, Yvonne?
Good morning, boys.
Good morning. Fully, I'm in the process of switching completely to futures.
No. What are you doing?
I opened an account on Tradivate
Yeah.
and just was kind of researching, studying over the weekend and stuff. Did some like they allow you to hold up. I just got a crazy song on my Spotify. Shit threw off my mental. They allow you to like replay sessions, and then you can like demo trade. So you can like paper trade and replay live sessions and stuff. So I was just doing that over the weekend, like getting a feel for it.
Pretty sweet. Do they have their own prop firm, or how do you do that?
Honestly, I don't know anything about that. I'm just gonna use my own money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, y'all.
What up, man? Yeah. At least to start, I don't know. I don't want to try to like put additional pressure or complicate things for myself. But I don't know. You can and what I've seen, like I was looking up stuff on YouTube, and what a lot of people do is just chart, like have thinkorswim charts, and then they just place their orders through Tradivate. So
Yeah.
all
That's
the
essentially what I'm doing right now.
yeah, all the charting and everything is like familiar and consistent. You've been trading futures?
No, I'm just saying I chart everything on Thinkorswim and then
Gotcha.
take all my trades on Webull.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm interested. I don't know, it's pretty nice because like I was just playing around with it, looking at like yesterday's price action and then like paper trading it. But it's so nice to be able to set like a stop and know exactly where your stop is and know like what price that stop is at. You know what I mean? Like if we make a higher high, I'm stopped out. But like if we don't, no matter how long it goes, it doesn't matter. Like I have time to let it play out.
Right.
So
Oh.
I haven't.
Well, how much do you know how much you're gonna need to like trade?
Yeah, so that's the thing is obviously you have to manage your own risk, but there's no minimum deposit.
No.
Um,
Okay.
no. And then the fees are pretty minimal. Like for micros or like like MES or MNQ, the
Yeah.
fee is only like 30 cents a contract or something, so it's like
Is that for entry and exit, or
I think so.
okay?
But still that's less than an options contract entry and exit on Thinkorswim or
Yeah.
TD Ameritrade. It's like 60 cents or something on here. And then for like full-sized futures, I think it's like $1.30 or something. But I'm not playing with that yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll be like, I think transitioning kind of slowly over this week. I haven't fully committed yet.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how that goes for you. I've been debating on like whether or not doing the prop firm route or do what you're doing. You know, just use my own capital.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of just putting in like, I don't know, like $500 or something, and then just trading the micros, and then like
Yeah.
one contract at a time or something. There's like no way that I'd blow my account unless I let it go like 100 points against me. But
curious to see how that goes.
We'll see. I got smoked last week. Last week was not great for me, so I tried to set some new rules in place. I'm kind of curious how they should pretty much trade the same on futures.
What rules have you set in place? What specifically?
Just like making sure I'm not trying to trade against the trend. Like if we're in an uptrend, a clear uptrend, just only looking for long positions rather than like trying to catch the top or something. Using the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. So like if we're below the 9 EMA, not trying to grab calls, versus if we're above it, not trying to grab puts. And then also just like paying attention to the lower time frame, like the 1 minute. If we're making like breaking, you know, the trend on the 1 minute, to pay attention to that, because that was something like last week. I tried to grab a pullback last week on QQQ that was like, it's pulling back to the pre-market high. But if I looked at like the 1 minute time frame, like we had broken the trend in terms of like higher highs, higher lows, and then like we were below the 9 EMA. And so we were in an uptrend like on the longer time frames, but things were starting to break on the smaller time frames, I guess, and just trying to like align all that.
Yeah.
Nothing like too crazy, just I guess more strict in terms of like the trades I take.
Yeah, I mean that's what you need, really. Just get as strict as you possibly can.
But like in terms of like the levels I'm watching and everything, like all that, the price action, all that's pretty much the same.
Yeah.
We'll see. I think this week is on be kind of I'll just try to watch and like see how things play out and see if I feel like it's gonna work.
Yeah, these last couple weeks, or I guess really only 1 week out of the last 2 weeks, I've only been taking one trade a day, and it's been working.
Nice.
Just being patient and waiting for that one setup. Been working.
I like that.
I like a bounce off of what we're at right now.
Yeah, filled that gap. Previous day high.
Yeah.
Let's see. QQQ's looking a bit weaker. QQQ's kind of dumping.
He's been a little rangy. I don't know where Q's going. Yvonne, did you end up trading at all yesterday?
Yeah, I came late, man. I was only watching a bit.
Yeah.
But it was a weird day because of CPI.
Yeah, it looked super choppy on QQQ at
but
least.
Contracts were moving nice. Very
Huh.
nice. Yeah. Yeah, but definitely weird day for me yesterday.
Is the US the only country that does time zone or time changes?
No, we are doing it in the end of March, in 3 weeks. So I have 3 weeks now. This time.
It's almost like time is made up.
Not real.
Yeah, so we are at the moment we are only 5 hours difference, not 6. With New York, with you Ryan, it's a bit more.
Yeah. Is that easier or harder to trade? Guess it's only 1 hour difference, but
Yeah, kind of the same.
Morning.
Good morning, man.
good morning.
Hey.
Yeah, it's rough out here.
Anybody take anything yet?
Oh no, not yet.
Yo, Sam. Mr. Scream. Do you copy?
I didn't hear you, Adam.
What up, man? I was just gonna say I opened an account on Trade. I haven't. I was just doing some demo trading over the weekend,
Cool.
getting a feel for it.
Yeah. So you opened up with Trading.
Yeah.
That's your own account?
Yes, sir. I think
Not a-
Tradivate and Ninja Trader might be like the same parent company or something because they're extremely similar. I was looking at them.
Yeah, I think so.
They have the same fee structures and everything.
Using their platform now?
Nope, I haven't funded it yet or anything. I just I'm in the process of that. I pulled some money out of my TD Ameritrade account and I'm gonna start switching it over this week. I just want to take some time to I don't know, watch it and do some demo trades and stuff and see, just get a feel for it.
You're gonna be doing futures, right?
Yep. Yeah. What's weird to me is that on TD Ameritrade you just have ES, MES, and Q, M and Q, but on there it has so many futures contracts like ESH4, ESU4, ESM4, and some of them don't align to the contracts on TD Ameritrade, but I figured out which ones do. I don't know. That confused me.
Aren't those the expiration
Yeah.
symbols?
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, and I don't understand that. So I still feel like I need to play around with it and learn more before I feel fully comfortable.
Well, for me, Ninja Trader, automatically the next expiration.
Okay.
And the chart that I use, MES, Thinkorswim just changes it automatically for me.
Yeah.
If you look at a future expiration, then the numbers change a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's what I was noticing because I was charting on Thinkorswim and then trading on Tradivate, and I realized it wasn't matching up, and it took me a while to figure it out.
Like right now, for the micro at least, the March expiration, the price is 51.24.
Mm-hmm.
And for June, the ones I'm trading now is 51.86.
Yeah, and then on
I don't know why that happens. I don't know the.
Yeah, 51.86 is what I see on Thinkorswim.
Yeah, that's the current they're using.
Gotcha. Yep.
I'm gonna
If you were
short
to load up
5 here.
the March on the one that's expiring this month, price is different. What a drop. 510 maybe? Same trade I took yesterday. If it goes down there, just below 510.
Ooh, that's a nice little drop ski for you there. Going around that like 511 level though. Nice. Do you have a target fully?
No. I'm gonna get out there. I like that.
It's moving pretty well.
Yeah, I'm 30%. No reason to hold that.
Nice. Yeah, I have a level kind of right where it's at, but
Yeah.
it seemed to be selling right through it.
Well, I was gonna go to pre-market low, but like
Gotcha.
510.
That'd be a hell of a move.
Where'd you get it?
Like 511.5.
Yeah, it's like the retest of that broken low day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's a nice setup.
That 50-cent move, not bad.
I mean, with how fast it did it too, yeah, 30%. It's a nice little.
Yeah.
So you
Got a
got
lot
it,
of.
right?
Yeah, it came out pre-market. It's kind of a
Okay.
mixed bag. Yeah, it was like core CPI was a little bit lower than previous, but higher than expected, and then just regular CPI was a little bit higher than previous and higher than expected. So not great. Dang, QQQ, holy, it's moving. It's dropped like $4 today. Oh my gosh.
Ryan, are you watching ES or NQ right now?
I was just watching SPY, but yeah, I've pulled up the ES chart a couple times just to look at it. I have some stuff charted, so I was just kind of curious to see how it was responding. I mean, it moves very similar to SPY, I guess.
Almost identical.
That break and retest yesterday's high, and that drop on move like over 10 points or so.
Yeah, are you watching micro? So I chart micro, even though it's like I'm not trading it. I just chart it.
Yeah.
Just, I guess to get more familiar with it. Are you charting micro or just minis?
Just minis. They are the exact same, right? In terms of like where they're at. I think like the price and everything the same. Yeah.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, I just charted ES and NQ to kind of watch those as well. But I think if you trade like SPY and SPY and QQQ, then the futures you should be able to apply the same like strategies, I guess.
Yeah, essentially the same.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it out. It's pretty crazy, even on like the micros, like that little 10-point drop, one contract that's $50 on MES.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Blows my mind with like the just regular futures, like $500 on ES. Wow.
$50 per point.
Yeah, that's crazy. When I was demo trading, I was like trying out both ES and NQ, and NQ moves so fast. It's like that was intimidating. I don't know. It was just like I was watching essentially like I don't even know what you want to call it, like the order flow, and it was just jumping around so fast that I was like, this is kind of crazy trying to take a trade right now.
So NQ's every point is
20 bucks.
what? Do you know?
20, and then the micro is $2.
$2 for every point,
Yeah.
and then it's 5 for ES, right?
Yep.
Or 50 or what?
50 for ES, yeah, 5 for MES. But it just moves a little slower.
Yeah. So, I mean, what do people say is more? I guess it depends on your trading style, huh? But which one pays more, I guess?
Yeah, I guess like the per tick ES pays more, but I think NQ moves more like
Faster?
points. Exactly.
Yeah.
There's like more volatility, but less value per point. But in terms of like, I don't know, just watching it and being like, okay, I'm gonna place my stop loss here and like enter here. On ES, I think it was a little smoother versus like NQ, it was like jumping all over the place, and I was like, it just felt more erratic.
Let's take a look.
But I mean, even with that smaller like per point value, if it jumps 40 points or whatever in like a couple minutes. Yeah. Basically NQ I feel like moves like 2 points for every 1 point ES moves almost.
So from high to low on the MES this morning is 30 points. That'd be 150 per contract. Now let's look at NQ. What's the symbol for NQ mini? Do you know?
M and Q.
From high to low.
Yeah, it's nuts.
165 points.
Yeah, it's crazy. It moves so many, like in a single like 5-minute candle, it'll move like 60 points. It's nuts.
So that move would actually be $330 per. Wait. Yeah, 330 for that drop, as opposed to 150 for that drop this morning.
So NQ pays more.
That's what it looks like so far.
Yeah. But it's scarier. I don't know.
It's very spooky. Dang, SPY just kind of.
That's interesting. I just stuck with SPY. Already got the ball rolling with SPY. I'm just gonna stick with that for now.
I'll probably look to do both at some point, but
Oh, did y'all hear about well, y'all don't use Webull. The futures is coming to Webull.
nice.
Hell yeah.
So you don't even have to trade platform or just switch platforms or anything. That's nice.
I don't know.
What
Right.
are Weeble's fees? Pretty reasonable.
Very minimum. Very minimal.
Yeah, they're super cheap.
That's what's like.
Free for options, right?
Transaction fees 7 cents for that last trade I just did.
Oh, damn.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad
But
at all.
I don't know if it's priced like an option or not. Because if it's either 7 cents or 70. Nah, it's gotta be 7. There's no way it's 70 cents. What is Thinkorswim?
I think it's like 60 or something, 50 or 60 for an option.
Maybe it is. No,
Yeah,
there's no way.
I think 60 or 65 actually.
Yeah. It's like around $1 to get in and out of a trade. It's kind of just, I think it's a little bit more, but
Hit the previous day closed. Came back up.
yeah, it's ripping. It reclaimed that high day. I was considering looking for a call, but this 5-minute candle just straight vertical. Didn't really give me an entry there.
Yeah, I don't have any levels at 511 on here.
I have a level right at 511. Good exit, Fully. I think you timed the bottom actually perfect. I know, I switched over to NQ and it had like a perfect move level to level. I was like, oh, nice little like 80-point move, if only. Let's see what ES is looking like. Yeah. It is weird. I did notice how like ES moves like SPY, but like their all-time highs and stuff don't correlate. Like SPY isn't at its all-time high, but ES is, or like pretty close to it. If that makes sense. I mean, it's set an all-time high in the pre-market versus SPY is still like $10 off or so, $5 off.
Yeah, so do you have your ES chart pulled up on Thinkorswim?
I can pull it up right now. Yeah.
Look at like Friday to Sunday. It's at like it's got the MESM 20.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Like, and it just gapped right up. Like, what is that? I don't know what that is.
I think that's
Expiration change.
yeah. So it's going to like March expiration. I'm guessing right there.
Yeah, I think this one does it automatically.
Oh, okay. That's nice though, because that would correspond to like the contract on Trading. Because on Trading it's like ESM4 is the contract that correlates. Here, I'll pull it up right now and look.
I almost took that SPY short. I was tempted.
Oh man. Let me take a look, ski. It is ES and then M4, I believe. Yeah, ESM4 is the one that correlates on Trading. That's nice. Spent way too long over the weekend trying to figure out I type in ES and it's like ESU, ESH, ESM. Like, what the hell is this?
Fucking March's code is H.
Really?
Yeah.
On Webull or something?
No. Like, in general.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know.
Futures expirations are H. I'm sending you the chart right now.
I see that, dude. I just don't know what to tell you.
What the fuck does that mean?
You know, on Trading it's ESM4 is the one that has like the accurate pricing and everything. Dude, what's I'm sure Ninja Trader has it too, but it's really nice on Trading is you can set up like all these, you can set up like a max risk, and so like if your account loses a certain amount, it will shut you down and like prevent you from taking any trades. You can set up like you can do like preset like trailing stop losses and stuff and do it off like points or percentages. So whenever you enter a trade, it will automatically set like a stop loss at say 10% or whatever for you. You don't have to do it. Like I think it's called like brackets or something. And you can set up like take profits, stop loss, trailing stop. You can set all that. So as soon as you enter a trade, it just calculates it all for you and you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, that's what I have.
That's pretty sweet.
Mine's pretty simple though.
Yeah.
I have my order quantity, my first target, my second target, and where to take me out for those two.
Dang, I just missed that trade on SPY. It had like a trend line from pre-market high to high of day. And it just broke through and retested and now it's ripping off of it. I was too busy yapping, dude. Holy. That was a nice little move. It already popped like 50 cents off it. Oh wow, I feel silly. I literally was waiting for that and I just missed it. Ooh. Right off that 513. Take it up to 514. If it hits my next zone.
I thought this thing was going down, so I didn't really map any resistance up there. I have no levels. Help.
My next one's at 514 on SPY. 514 to like 514.2. And then above that, we got like all the way up towards 516 for me. Oh, I feel silly. I was so patient. I don't know what I was looking at. Futures. The contract moved like 50%. That's nice.
Freak about the codes. These pretty random.
What's up?
The codes that Cooley posted for the.
Oh yeah, I didn't look at that. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I'm looking at the June expirations then. Interesting. I thought I had it figured out, and now I'm just confused again.
Alright, boys. I don't really see anything else I love today, so I'm gonna call it there.
Sounds good, brother. Yeah,
Same, man.
kind of slowed down.
Yeah.
Alright, and
Peace out, brother.
Later.
Take care, man.
See you, man.
I'm just gonna stick around to see what I can force.
Yeah, that's the best.
See what trouble I could get myself in.
Let's see, I'm also watching trouble.
This hold makes me think he wants to go up.
Yeah, I'm watching for that break above 514 or 513.5. Either makes a higher high or a lower low. See, the volume dropped pretty significantly the last like 20 minutes.
It's made a nice little channel. 514 to 513.50.
Get a little pullback to 514. I like that for an entry. Maybe up towards like pre-market high.
Supernova.
It's crazy that reversal across the market.
Yeah, that was a strong one.
Mm.
I was looking for calls for that. A little lower than that.
Supernova.
Man, once it broke 415, it just went.
uptrending day. No pullbacks, just straight up. Those days are my worst. Those are my fears.
Where there's no pullbacks.
Just goes up, never pulls back, nothing.
Yeah. The breakout trader's dream.
Psychologically thinking for short, and you just never get it. You get paper cut, paper cut, paper cut, paper cut. Not this time, buddy. You see a bit of a trend line now.
Wow.
Oh, did anybody catch this whole trend up to the
No, man.
upside?
No.
No,
Yeah, it's been pretty depressing.
I was looking at
Give him a pullback.
that retest of 513 on SPY, but I missed it.
Yeah, no
One of
pullbacks.
those
I've
things
just been
you
here
get
watching.
in and you gotta hop in.
Yeah, I was thinking about that literally just a second ago. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna throw some calls in there.
I'm
What's the worst that can happen?
a breakout trader now.
And then you finally get a pullback.
Yeah, because I keep setting alerts so you can retest the level, and then it just never comes back. It just continuously goes. So it's just terrible, man.
Might head out. Was hoping we get a little pullback there, but maybe not.
Yeah, this is just wild, man.
Damn. Yeah, there's nothing.
After that break of 442 on QQQ, I gave up.
Alright,
Pretty much.
see you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Crazy. Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy.
Thank you. Alright, take it easy, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow. No trades. I missed one entry right here. We had a pre-market high, at a daily high. We had a trend break and retest, and that was pretty solid. But I missed it, so